It's Jessica from Tensita Johnson, and today I would like to show you a bit different hairstyle. We played with extensions and I show you two different possibilities. Split the hair in the middle of the head. Do this from the front until the neck, and the part of the hair that you're not going to braid, you can just hold together with a hair tie so that it won't be in the middle while you braid the other side. So for this hairstyle, we section off a front part in a triangle shape, and I'm going to split this into 3 equal strands. You see it's diagonally, and start with 3 strands. We are doing a simple Dutch braid, so bring the outer strand under the middle strand and then the other side under the middle strand, and we go diagonally from the middle of the head until the neck. Every time you bring one strand under, you want to add in some hair. So bring under, add in some hair. You do this until you reach out of hair, and you see wherever I have some flyaways and where I want shorter hairs to stay inside of my braid, I'm using some hair gel. You can apply this with your fingers or use a toothbrush like I just did it here before. That makes possible to just put it really there where you need it. Smooth everything out. You can use the comb, your finger, whatever is best for you. My model has many baby hairs around her ears, so I'm using here an extra portion of gel. And then remember to keep your hands and fingers always very close to the scalp. I did 2 Dutch braids and then tied them off in a low ponytail like you see it here. Now we're going to bring through small tiny strands of extensions. I'm using a special tool. Some extensions are coming with this tool, so you just make a loop, pull it through, and I'm doing this under each stitch of my Dutch braid. So take your time. You also need time at the beginning before you start this hairstyle to prepare your extensions. Keep on doing this until you reach to the hair tie where you tie off the low ponytail. You see, I always bring the tool through, I hook up the strand, then I pull underneath the braid the loop, and the rest I pull through with my fingers. And this is what we have for the time being. Half of it is on the left hand side and I clip it away now. And the other side is on the right hand side. And with the other side I'm going to do another Dutch braid. So what you want to do is you take again 3 strands and then you braid next to your strand with your original hair, with the real hair. You're going to braid a Dutch braid with the extensions, and every time you reach to a new extension you just bring this part into your braid. Do this like you did before the Dutch braid until the low ponytail, and then there you just tie it off. Now I'm doing exactly the same thing. I make 3 strands from the first section, or the first 2 sections actually, and I start to braid a 3rd braid next to the big braid of real hair. And You can do this on both sides, you can just do it on one strand. For us it was a test. We wanted to see how it looks like, how these extensions look in her hair, because my model would like to have a festival hairstyle, and we finally decided that we're going to order light blue hair extensions. So we were coming soon up with a new hairstyle with the extension that she's going to order. Now both of the side braids are in the low ponytail. I tied everything up with a hair elastic, and this I'm hiding with the help of the Topsy Tail tool. So I just wrapped around the strand, and now I'm going to do a fishtail braid. How do we do a fishtail braid? You split your hair into 2 equal portions, and then you always take from one side just a bit of the strand, not the whole strand. You see, I always section off with my index finger a little part of the hair and bring that into the middle, and like this you keep on braiding until you reach the very end. And as this was just to try, we wanted to figure out how it would look like if we just attach the artificial hair to the low ponytail. So this is what I'm doing on the other side. I'm doing the same Dutch braid here, but now first attach the whole bunch of extension to the low ponytail with another hair tie. Then I'm hiding this again like I did it before. You see, just wrap around the strand. I liked it when the red came through, so I wrapped it various times. And here you have the final result. Like I said, this is a trial, so one side has the 2 double braids by the sides, the other one is without, and I actually like her left hand side better. So what you see right now I think is very cute. Hope you like it. Bye bye, see you back soon.